Hi my dear colorists! In today's video I will be reviewing and swatching set of Japanese metallic watercolors by Kuretake Gansai, and they are Gansai Tambi Starry colors, set of 6 gold watercolors. They are packed in cardboard box, and inside we have 6 plastic pens of watercolors on a cardboard tray. The names are just great. We have a white gold, champagne gold, yellow gold, light gold, red gold and blue gold. Pens are quite big. The manufacturer describes this product as a mix of metallic watercolor pigment with mica. So we have a nice shining colors with very delicate shimmer. I advise you, before you start using this set of watercolors, previously to wet them using water and use not a very soft brush. The synthetic one works perfectly well, and my first test will be on simple white paper. I applied 1 layer and then 3 layers of colors. They lay down perfectly well without any stains or granulating, and I really like both ways, but maybe with 3 layers they shine a little bit brighter. It's absolutely impossible to film them, to film how they shine, but believe me, they look very well even on the white paper. They became brighter when they dry, and now you can see how they shine. My second test will be on black acrylic background, and again it's absolutely impossible to film them. I would say that three lighter colors like light gold, champagne gold and white gold look better on black background, and three more pigmented colors like yellow gold, red gold and blue gold look better on the white paper. Again they dried and you can see the real color now. My next test will be mixing them with the regular watercolors. I used magenta watercolors from the White Night set. That's how the watercolors looks like. I tried to mix magenta with the champagne gold on the palette. But to mix regular watercolors with mica isn't very easy. So you'd better apply the first layer of watercolors, then the second layer of gold, and to mix them directly on the paper. In that way you will get a little bit lighter color with nice pearlish and shiny effect. Next I decided to work on the very wet watercolor background. And then I just touch the brush with the metallic pigment to the background and let one pigment to flow into another, and the effect is very interesting, like real natural gems. It's definitely a great way to create interesting backgrounds in the future. On the last step, I wanted to know how they could work as the background for the pencils. So I tried to apply prismas as a second layer on the gold background. And prismas don't lay down very well. They can't cover completely the background. But the effect is still very interesting when you have a little bit shiny background behind your pencil. But when I used my polychromos, a harder pencil, it was possible to completely cover the gold background if you need it. And I will think how it will be possible to use this in my future coloring processes. So I think that these Gansai Tambi watercolors are just great. All colors are very beautiful, they differ one from another, they work very well both on the white paper and on the black background. They shine very well, they mix very well, lay down very well. And I think that they will be very economical because the pens are very big and paint is very pigmented. I look forward to use them for my fairies, castles and dragons. Thanks for watching, until the next videos, and happy coloring to all of you!